Welcome to Wellspring Health Center. I'd like to share with you the unique and effective approach we use here in our holistic physical therapy program.
We clearly explain your problem and focus on the root cause for your pain or limitations so your body can heal. We believe in a thorough treatment process that uses advanced technology and a variety of techniques to ensure that you get the best well-rounded care possible and succeed in your journey to health and wellness. We utilize computerized technology to release restricted areas in the spine, as well as effective tools to treat soft tissue problems, including using myofascial release. Therapeutic exercise is powerful for improving posture and alignment, decreasing pain and tightness, and promoting strength and stability. In our integrated approach to care, our physical therapists work closely with our sports medicine nurse practitioner and also with our team of massage therapists to meet each patient's needs. Our purpose is to help men, women, and children of all ages restore their health in order to work better, play better, and be better.
We invite you to come in and experience our office with a free consultation to find out how we can help you improve your quality of life. Follow the link to our website or give us a call to schedule your free consultation.